Kapag mo lang inadaan sa harap ka.
Okay, remind na po ha. Both, lahat ng meron po tayong challenge. Pero yung challenge ay magagaling po sa video na makukuha ninyo, hindi po galing. Okay po, maniwanag po tayo. Reminder sa po yun.
Yo, paano malalaman kung light or dark sila? Hindi ka na sa akin. Ikaw na bahala, basta ikaw na bahala magpalit kung magla-light or dark. Sorry pa.
Ano to? Wala kang
Hindi, papakontakado kay Kuya Doy, tatawagan mo ni Kuya Doy. Kung hindi ako sunod, sabi ko nga, sabihan na parang may andas na. Mapapalit na natin.
Ayan.
Isang kalaban. Hanggang 4. Last minute. Ayoko nga. Referee yun namin sa atin. Bahayan nun, bahayan. Ito, ano magamitin nyo? Ito shot clock na pwede hindi gumana. Anong ano nyo? Light or dark?
Dito kami sa may color.
Dito ka sa color. Dahil naman. Ayun na nga. Ito na. Bulihan. So, ang bulihan kayo na ako.
Okay. First game natin, Tagaytay versus Anabu.
Pau. May nag-ceremonial toss na, hindi ko nakita, hindi na alam. Baka ano ako, nakatakip eh.
Okay lang yan. Ingat ko, ingat.
Ingat po, Pres. Pres, ingat po, salamat. Kap. Wala mo nang dadaan dito ha.
Kumahan dyan, bubulpihin.
Okay, jump ball between number 10 and number 12.
Kuha na.
Tap the ball to number 24. Layup is out, but there's a whistle. Foul. Foul number 30.
Tap.
First from by Toledo is out.
Kaya dapat may split.
Second throw. Jumpers, get ready. Is out again. Gone by number 29. Number 1 on the dribble. Foul. Foul, number 7. First.
Tagad po. Dito ka lang. Tagad dumaan.
Basket. Wait lang po, ref. Wait lang. Committee's time out po.
Okay. Okay na, rep.
Okay na po. Thank you so much. Score natin, 2-0.
Isang foul, no?
Oh.
Padaan.
Santillan, number 7, on the dribble. Pass 2. Serlos, 3. Serlos, 3 point.
Ano daw?
May 4 points tayo ha. May 4-point line ha. Ayan o.
Is out, jump is out, rebound back. Rebound by number 10, Pino. Reza is 32 by
Ikaw muna nga.
Pino.
Iwan ko pang ko. Kukunin ko pang ko sa
Number 1, zigzagging. Jump is out, rebound again. Is out. Jump. There's a whistle. Foul. Foul on jersey number 42. Hand contact foul.
Ano yung 5 to? 5 to.
5 na?
First round. It's good. Last round. Jumpers, get ready. Okay. Again. It's good again. Lagi ko kaya. Chandelier, number 1 on the dribble. Score natin 5-3. Vino, jump. A traveling violation by number 10. Number 30, Pasu, number 1. Pasu sa ilalim, wala.
Puro na yun?
Toledo, Pasuhino. Sa gitna, jump is out, driven by Pino.
All 4?
Jump is an air ball, driven by Anabu. Loose ball, ball possession, Anabu. Number 1 on the dribble. Score natin 5-4. Number 30. Gitna, intercepted by Santillan. Pass to Toledo. Eiza is good for 2 by Toledo. Number 30, pass to number 24. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 1. Jump is 22 by Cagayan. Santillan. Pass to Hino. Toledo. Jump is out. Rebound by Cagayan. Jump is good again by Cagayan. Change favor. Score natin 8-7. Santillan dribbling the ball. Setting a play. Santillan. Sa gitna. Loose ball. Ball possession, Anabu.
Babaw yan. Yan, sumabit.
Number 30. Pass to number 1. Cagayan. Sa ilalim. It's good for 2. A nice communication. Last 6 minutes and 15 seconds more to play. Santillan. Setting a play. Pass to Toledo sa ilalim. Reverse is out. Para sa Paino is out. Rebound by Serlos. Jump is out. Rebound by Hino again. Sa ilalim. There's a whistle. Foul. Not counted. Foul number 29. Foul number 29. Toledo to Santillan. Sa gitna to Serlos. Jump is good for 2 by Serlos. Oh, Cagayan. Sa ilalim. But there's a whistle. Pushing foul. Number 10. Change 5 tayo. Change 5. Ano po, Tagaytay? Change 5 po tayo. Change 5. 5 minutes po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Both teams. Pasok.
Tapos per quarter. Per quarter lang.
Okay. Back to the ball game. Ball possession. Anabu. Score natin 10-9 in favor of Anabu by 1 point. Jump is out. Rebound by Bungalon. Bungalon pass to Ere. Is out. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 14. Number 14 setting a play. Marcelo. Pass to sa ilalim. Jump is good for 2 by number 47. Abuena. Sa loob. Zigzagging. Layup is out. Rebound by Marcelo. Pass to Bisacola. Pass to Marcelo. Setting a play. Bisacola. Sa ilalim. Is stepping on the baseline. Ball possession. Tagaytay. Perey. Inbounding the ball to Abuena. Abuena. Number 9.
Vienna.
Jump is out. Rebound by Bungalon. Jump. Wala pa rin. Rebound again by Bungalon. Bungalon. Pass to
Alam pa nila na may 4
sa ilalim.
Alam nila na may 4
Hindi ko lang alam. Alam ko meron dati.
May 4 points tayo ah.
Ball possession. Tagaytay. 9 seconds to shoot. Bungalon sa gitna. Jump is good for 2 by Bungalon. Score natin 12-11. Anabu by 1 point. May 4 points po tayo ha. May 4 points.
May 4 points tayo.
Robles. Marcelo sa gitna. Intercepted by Perey. Pass to. Pass to. Obiena. Sa loob, sa gitna, jump is good for 2 by Obiena.
Baby, talaga naman si Beba oh.
Number 29.
Ayun oh.
Jump is out. Rebound by Bungalon. Passing pass to Abiena. Sa 4 points, Sinira. Abiena dribbling the ball, setting a play.
4 points.
Setting a play, pass to sa loob, pass to Perey. Jump is out. Rebound by number 10. Jump is number 2 by is stepping on the baseline. Ball possession. Ano po?
May 4 points tayo, wala.
Meron po tayo 4 points. 4 points yan ha. 4 points. May guide dyan. Number 47. Intercepted by Mahan. Lays up. Pinaliwa. Is good for 2 by Abiena. Loose ball. Ball possession. Tagaytay. Score natin 15-14. In favor ang Tagaytay by only half shot. Perey, inbounding the ball to Abiena. Sa 4 points, sa 3, Abiena. Wala. Rebound by Marcelo. Marcelo, number 50. Jump. Wala. Rebound by Bungalon. Sumasagasa. Bungalon layup is out. Rebound by Mahan. Is out. Rebound by Marcelo. Oras natin, last 1 minute more to play. Sa loob, number 10, jump is out, but there's a Wilson. Follow on number 21, Mahan. A hand contact foul. A 2 free throw para kay number 10. Asuro. First throw is good. Second throw. Jumpers, get ready. Is out. Rebound again by Bungalon. Pass to Abiena. Dumidiskarte. Abiena, kaloob, intercepted by, there's a whistle. Offensive foul on Abiena. Number 9, offensive foul. Ball possession. Number 29, inbounding the ball to jump is out, rebound by Asoro to Marcelo. To Marcelo. Silent. Loose ball. Last touch by Anabu. Last 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Game ball. That's the end of the first quarter. Score natin, all 15. Okay, let's back to the ball game. Score natin, all 15, all 15. Ball possession, Anabu. Number 16, going ball to number 15. Setting a play, pass to number 15. Intercepted by Toledo. Pass to Abiena. Good. Intercepted by number, pass to number 12. Tura sa 3, wala. Not balance.
4 points yun. Boy, pabago naman o. Ano ko? So, 4th game.
Santillan, number 7 on the dribble, setting a play. Santillan, titira ng 4. 3 lang pala. Is out, rebound by number 12. Jump is out. Rebound by Abiena. Pass to Matt. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Dribbling the ball, they play pass to sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Hino. Pass break, pass to Abiena. Layup is good for 2 by Abiena. Score natin 17-15. 8 minutes, 30 seconds more to play. Turada on the dribble. Turada sa gitna, layup is out, rebound by Hino. Pass break pass to Abiena. Sa 3 is out, rebound by Hello. Toledo sa gitna. Hino. Jump. Is out. Rebound by Tarada. Sa loob. Tarada. Jump is out. Rebound by Toledo. Santillan. Layup. Wala.
Substitution. Rep, man kasi matigas.
Substitution. Pasok. Hello. Number 12.
Intercepted by 7 seconds.
seconds. 9 seconds to shoot. 5, 4.
So,
Good.
good.
Rebound by Toledo.
Inaside Pirey.
It's good for 2 by Perez.
Good. Number 28.
Johnson.
Pass to number 30. In the net. 2 points for number 12. Santillan.
Santillan. Santillan. Foul.
There's a whistle.
Foul number 12. A hand got a foul by number 12. Perez, sa gitna. Ace number 2 by Perez. Hello. Wala tayo. Hello. Johnson. 3 points. Sab daw ako sa mesenya, sab. Sab yung mic, kuha kayong mic. Putol kasi ito. Perez umikot and intercepted by Tarada. Tarada, layup. Toledo. Santillan. 20% tayo asa. Santillan. Last 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Sa 3, Serlon is out. Intercepted by Santillan. Foul. Traveling violation. Substitution rep. Pasok out, pasok in. Labas, pasok. Score natin, 22-21.
Score natin 22-21. Number 14. Uy, ano mo sabi? Tagaytay ball.
Loose ball.
Loose ball.
Ano na tayo make sa bagay?
Pinasa ilalim, hindi na Toledo, wala. Nakuha ni Brother. Ayan, number 1. Tumira sa 4 point, wala. Nariba ni Perey. Pinasa kay Toledo. Toledo, inatake, wala. Nakuha nila ulit. Hindi ulit, wala pa rin. Nakuha number 10. Tumira, ayun. Number 10.
So final na yung ano? Final na yun.
Hello. Yun. Wakante Pips. First draw is good by Hino. Second throw, jumpers get ready. Last draw, jumpers ready. Is out rebound by Marcelo, pass 2. Cagayan, number 1. Sa loob, zigzagging back. Intercepted by Santillan. Pass 2. Toledo, sa loob, tap. There's a whistle. Blocking foul. Number 14, Marcelo. A 2 free throw para kay Toledo. First throw. Is out. Score natin. Deadlock, 22. Time remaining, last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Good for good this time by Toledo. Page favor tayo, Tagaytay. Carrera sa ilalim. Marcelo sa gitna, fake, jump is out, rebound by. Jump is good for 2 by number 10. Santillan on the dribble. Setting a play, looking for teammates. Santillan using the screen. Sa 4, Santillan. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Perey. Jump is out, rebound by number 10. Number 10 on the dribble. Pass to Cagayan. 4 points, wala. Rebound by Santillan. Santillan, last 2 minutes. Santillan. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Sa gitna.
Pass to Toledo.
Is out, rebound by. Okay, yeah, number 1. On the dribble. There's a whistle. Substitution rep. Follow number 24.
Banatin mo.
Ano naman din naman tanggal yan?
Hello, hello. Rebound by number 10, pass to number 13. Tarada. Jump. Loose ball. Ball possession, Tagaytay. Last 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Abiena. Pass to Perey. Back to Abiena sa loob. Is out. Rebound by Tarada. Tarada. Sa 3 is out. Rebound by Perey. Last 25 seconds. Intercepted by Marcelo. 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 Pass to. Jump. Is out. Loose ball. Last 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Running time po tayo. Running time. Perey. Last 10 seconds. Last 8. Foul. Foul number 30. Tarada. Last 3.7 seconds. That's the end of the second quarter. Score natin. 23-24 in favor ang
Pwede na yun, di ba? Na
Okay, stop na yan. Okay, stop na.
back to the ball game sa ating third quarter. Score natin, deadlock.
Sabi ko, member pa rin itong taga sa buwan. Hindi natin letter kanya.
Toledo to Abiena. Sa gitna, jump is out. Pass break pass, intercepted by Santillan. To Mahan. Mahan, number 21 sa loob. Pass to Abiena. Pumeke. Pass to Abiena. Lea. Traveling violation by Abiena. Johnson to Abian. Paso sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Santillan. Santillan. Rebound by number 21 sa loob. Pinali. Number 12. Pass to number 29. Sa loob is number 2 by Abiena on the dribble. Pass to Santillan sa 3. Wala. Rebound by. But there's a whistle. Foul on
AJ!
number 1. A pushing foul.
Pwede palit sila pesto yung nasa gitna dito.
Ball possession.
Doon yung sa gitna.
Tagaytay. Mahan sa ilalim. Jump is good for 2 by
Dalawa
Mahan.
nandun sa kabila. Ay, okay na pala.
Cagayan, pass to Chongson. Number 28 sa 3. Chongson. 4 points. 4 points, 4 points. Score natin, deadlock. Number 7, pass to Toledo. Layup is out, rebound by Cagayan. Cagayan, Yusef, wala. Rebound by Mahan. Pass to Santillan. Santillan. Violation. Ball possession.
Sige, sab na, sab. Tama. Tama.
Score natin all po.
20-28, di ba? 6 points na sila. May naka...
Wala. Santillan. To Abiena.
Balik yung scoreboard. 30 na to.
Basket.
30 na rin to.
Jump. Wala.
Pinagpalit mo na? Pinagpalit mo?
Is out.
Bench score niya ako sa bench score.
Cagayan. Sa 3.
Ano, pinagpalit?
Sa ilalim. Time out lang po. Time out. Committee's time out po ah.
Idol, ano mo sa bench score? Bench scoring. Pagka ito ang 30.
Apa?
Sila 26. Bench scoring tayo. O, sa bench.
Bench yun, huwag mong papalitin dapat.
Kasi
Ito lagay mo
tayo
30.
ng second quarter.
Kahit mag-change goal tayo, mag-change goal. Kahit mag-change goal tayo, bench scoring pa rin score.
Hindi, sumusunod lang ako.
Dito lang, di ba?
Ito ang 30.
30 dapat pa.
Dito ang 30. Bench scoring tayo. Bench
Ano po
scoring.
yan? O.
Para hindi ka nalilito.
Yan 26.
Doon 26. Bench scoring tayo kahit mag-change goal.
26.
Yan.
Bench
Sino
scoring.
kung may foul?
Last foul ah. 21, last foul. Tagay tayo, last foul.
Bench score.
Basta ano tayo ito lahat. Bench scoring.
Bench scoring.
Oo, 22 kayo galing.
Kulang 2 points.
24.
Yung isa ko sa ilalim, yung isa rin pasa sa ilalim.
Ano ba? I-ano natin sa ano? Sa
Bench scoring tayo, bench scoring.
official sa
Official score po natin ha. 28-30. In favor po ang Anabu. 2 points. In favor ang Anabu by 2 points. 2 points, 2 points. First throw is good. Second throw, jumpers.
29. 31.
Is out, rebound by Arsolo. Intercepted by Santillan to Toledo. Leia is out, rebound by number 30. Carada. Paso, Marcelo. Cagayan sa 3. Jam. Cagayan, 3 points. Abiena. Abiena setting a play. Abiena. Sa loob, jump is out, rebound by Tarada. Tarada. Paso. Cagayan. Ready for sub po tayo, ha? Cagayan. Jump is good for 2 by Cagayan. Santillan, number 7. Santillan. Setting a play. Santillan, pass 2. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Carada, number 30. Pass 2, pass 2. Sa gitna, jump is out. Loose ball. Ball possession. Anabu. 12 seconds shoot sa 3. Jump. Solo. 3 points. Score natin 39-31. Last 5 minutes.
Ano? Sino
3 points. Tarada. Pushing foul. Number 9, Abiena. Substitution rep. Substitution. 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 Yeah. Jump is out. Rebound by Abiena. Sa loob is good to 2 by Abiena. Tarada, Tumagayan. Paso. Johnson is out. Santillan. Sa ilalim, Abiena is out. Rebound by Marcelo. Johnson. On the dribble. Johnson. Ayan. Jump is out. Rebound by Santillan. Santillan. Sa likod. Toledo. Jump is out. Para sa Toledo is out again. Rebound by Carada. Pass to Abiena. Jump is good for 2. Time out! Anabu. With the time remaining. Let's back to the ball game. Ball possession ng Anabu. Marcelo to Chongson to Marcelo. Marcelo dribbling the ball, looking for teammates, pass to Chongson. Marcelo, fake, a traveling violation by Marcelo. Mino to Santillan. Santillan. Hingi ng screen. Santillan. Foul. Cagayan, number 1. Pushing foul. Santillan. Pass to Cerlos. Wala. Rebound by Hino. Follows up is out. Rebound by Marcelo. Marcelo. Pass to number 10. Jump. Johnson. 3 points. Score natin, 38-42. Santillan, sumagasa sa loob. Is 52 by Santillan. Intercepted by Pere. Pere, sa loob, jump, wala, follows up, is out. But there's a whistle. Foul on, number 47. Two free throw para kay Hino. A bonus shot para kay number 10, Hino. First throw is good. Last throw. Jumpers, get ready. Yes, good again by Hino. Score natin, deadlock. Johnson. Ready for stop po tayo, ha? Sa loob. Pass to Johnson. Sa ilalim. Pop. Oops. Loose ball. Ball possession. Tagaytay. Pere. Santillan on the dribble. Sa tres. Santillan. 3 point. Last 1 minute. Intercepted by Santillan. Santillan. Leza. Is good for 2 by Santillan. Johnson. Pinch paper tayo, ha? Johnson. Paso. Loose ball. Enters Santillan. 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 Santillan sa 4. Wala. Johnson. 10 seconds. Johnson. Cagayan. Layup is good for 2 by Cagayan. Okay, that's the end of the third quarter. Score natin 47-44 in favor. Okay.
Naka-open. Naka-open. Buti nga naka-open.
Let's back to the ball game. Ball possession. Anabu.
Jo, lagay ko sa'yo dito, Jo.
Oh, Tarada to number 12. dribbling the ball. Pass to sa gitna, jump, wala. Rebound by Tarada. Loose ball. Ball possession, Tagaytay. Pere, dribbling the ball. Pass to Bungalon. Pass to Hino, sa ilalim. Turn around, but there's a whistle. Foul on. Foul on number 10. A hand contact foul. 2 free throw para kay Hino. First throw is good. Second throw, jumpers, get ready. Is good again by Hino. Tarada on the dribble. Tarada. Pass to number sa ilalim. Jump, block. Rebound by Pere. Pass break, pass to Abiena. Layup is out by Hino. Jump is out, but there's a whistle. Foul on number 10. 30, sorry. Pushing foul, Tarada. Tarada, third personal foul. Second team foul. First row is out. Second row, jumpers, get ready. Oras natin is good for one by Hino. Ready for sub. Cagayan, upo kayo, upo. Cagayan. Jump. Is out, Tarada. Sa loob is good for two by Tarada. Pere to Santilla, to Bungalon, to Abiena. Abiena sa loob. Sa tres. Abiena. 3 points. Tarada. Tarada on the dribble. Tarada. Pass to number 34. Back to Tarada. Tarada sa loob. Jump is out. Same ball. Ball possession, Anabong. Substitution ref. Labas in. Pasok out.
6 seconds to shoot.
6 seconds to shoot. Last 6 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Labas, pasok, sobra. Yan. Marcelo, number 14. Pass to. Last 3 seconds. Jump is good for 2 by number 10. Santillan, number 7 on the dribble. Score natin, 53-48. Abiena, zigzagging. Sa loob is out, Hino. And nice follow up by Hino. Number 28, Choson, pass to number 1. Marcelo to Choson. Sa 4. To Marcelo. Sa ilalim. Wala. Loose ball. Ball possession, Tagaytay. With a time remaining of 7 minutes and 8 seconds. Santillan, number 7 on the dribble. Santillan setting a play. Pass to Pere. Number 1 to Hino. Sa ilalim. Abiena. Abiena. Number 9 jump is out. Rebound by Abiena. To Santillan. Santillan. Abiena sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Choson. Oops. Loose ball. Same ball. Hino, pass to Santillan. Santillan, Santillan. To Pere, sa gitna is number 2 by Pere. Score natin, 55-48, Marcelo. To number 10 is out, rebound by Toledo, intercepted by number 1. Who's foul rep? Foul number 24, Toledo. Second personal foul, first team foul. Marcelo. Pass to number 10, pass to Marcelo sa 3. There, Marcelo. 3 points. Santillan, nagdadala ng bola. Santillan, sumagasa, bumalik, loose ball. Ball possession, substitution rep. Labas, pasok.
Last 2 minutes ang stop time.
Last 5 minutes. Marcelo. Cagayan. Jump is out. Rebound by Santillan. Pass to sa ilalim. Wala. Cagayan. Number 1. Jump. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Sa 3. Susubok. Wala. Rebound by Toledo. Jump is out. Rebound by Marcelo. Tuwagaya. Sa 3. Susubok ulit. Ben. Cagayan, 3 points. Santillan on the dribble. Intercepted. Wala. Santillan. Johnson. Pass to Cagayan. Messi. Intercepted by Toledo to Hino. Layup is good for 2 by Hino. Number 10. Tipping the ball. Number 10, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Johnson. Intercepted by Hino. Is out. Santillan. Follows up by Hino. Good for 2. Marcelo. To Cagayan. Number 10, pass to Johnson sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Santillan. Sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Johnson. Pass to number 10, pass to Cagayan. Sa 3. Ben. Timeout. Tagaytay.
4 points, di ba?
4 points. Score natin 61-58 in favor Tagaytay. With a time remaining of 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Score natin 61-58. 3 points lead by Tagaytay. Toledo inbounding the ball to Abiena. Pass to Hino. Sa gitna. Jump. Foul. Number 40. Marcelo. First choice out.
Ito na. Dalawa pa.
Last throw is to the side. Tarada, number 30. Parada. Pass to Cagayan. Sa 4 points. Wala. Toledo. Nagmamadali. Pass to Aviena to Hino. Is good for 2 by Hino. Last 2 minutes. But there's a whistle. Follow number 10. Hand contra foul by Hino. Inbounding the ball to foul. Foul number 7. Santillan. Third team foul. Parada. Sa 4. Wala. Rebound by Mahan to Santillan. Santillan to loose ball. Last 1 minute and 44 seconds. Aviena is out. Rebound by Tarada. Tarada. Intercepted by Santillan. Is out. Rebound by Hina Palasab. Is out. Rebound by Toledo. Jump. Is out. Rebound by Cagayan. Aviena. Sa ilalim is iputo by Aviena. Parada. Last 1 minute 10 seconds. 34. Pass to Cagayan. Sa ilalim. Foul. Foul number 7, Santillan. Third personal foul, 14 foul. A bonus shot. Para sa may kibigin.
Pag na-shoot.
Before sub po tayo. Last one, jumpers get ready. Is out, rebound by Hino. Pass to Santillan. Santillan, last 1 minute. Santillan. Pass to Aviena. Jump is good design by Aviena. Last 48 seconds. Score natin 68-59. Tarada. On the dribble, pass to number 10. Sa loob. Tarada sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Mahan. Pass to Aviena. Shot is out. Rebound by Aviena. Aviena sa loob. Pass to is out. But there's a whistle. Foul on. Number 30. Tarada. Last 17 seconds. Bonus shot para kay Toledo. Is good. Second draw. Ready? Is out. Rebound by Cagayan. Winner! Tagaytay! Marami pong salamat sa inyong magandang laro na pinakita.
Picture sa gitna.
Oh, brethren, picture muna tayo ha. Picture.
Upo yung panalo.
Lahat po ng team,
Upo yung panalo.
nakaupo po yung nanalo. Both teams, picture muna tayo, picture. Both teams. Tagaytay, upo tayo, Tagaytay, upo. Okay? Oh, ready ha? Ipopost mo natin ito sa page ha? Oh. Kain mo na ako ha?
Chicken nuggets. Nagkain. points yan yan.
Meron pa game.
Ah, ito. Picture.
1, 2.
Pabiela.
No.
Meron tayo tiga-pitik eh. May tiga-pitik tayo si ano. Kain muna kayo. Rep, nandun yung pagkain nyo. Dali.
Hello.
Nandun oh.
Player of the game, Adriana, number 9.
Kain muna kayo. Nandun yung pagkain.
With 22